What up, Ben Trades back, and today, interesting topic, talking about patience and why I think it's so important in trading and in life in general. When it comes to trading, stocks, everything about the stock market is pretty much built to make you, me, and everyone else fail. The normal human psychology is kind of exploited. The way that I view it, it's exploited. And Wall Street and all the other funds and whatever, AI, all those the robots, algorithmic trades, like they're all trying to exploit our psychology to make us lose so that they can gain money. Therefore, we need to recognize that and then do the opposite of what our brain is telling us to do. And my main point is that patience is key to become successful long-term in trading. And also, I want to add in, this is a long marathon. This is a long journey, not just a sprint. You're not just trying to hit one killer play and be good the rest of your life. Like that's stupid. That is gambling. That's not going to happen. Like it happens to every few people. They hit this one giant trade, and then most of the times what I've seen when that happens is that they end up giving it all back because they keep trying to hit more giant trades. And it's just, that's like luck. Hitting a giant trade like that is luck. My point is that this is a marathon. You go for pretty much base hits every day, every other day, a few base hits a week. Realistically, in trading, since it's a patience game, you're not going to win every day. You're not going to be able to hit base hits every single day. Therefore, you kind of have to, like, literally, I'm going to take my hands, I'm going to sit on them. I'm sitting on my hands. You have to sit on your hands. Don't touch the computer. Don't touch the keyboard. Don't touch any of that stuff. You can watch trades move, but if your setup isn't there, you need to get really good at just sitting and doing nothing. Because forcing trades that aren't there is exactly how you literally burn through money. You blow up accounts, burn through money, and you fail. And then once your setup appears, you're going to play it, basically just making back the losses that you just took, when you should have just waited and done nothing. I think that patience is an overlooked skill when it comes to investing and trading, because all of us, like me included, I want to make as much money as possible right now, like right in this exact second, right now. Market is open. I want to go on my computer and execute some trades and make some money. But you know what? I know my edge is not there right now. I know that if I hopped on, I would probably lose. Therefore, I'm just going to patiently, I'm doing something else. I'm recording this video, I'm sitting outside, I'm doing other things, not trading, because I know my edge isn't there. I'm not going to force a play that's not there. If I force a play, it's just stupid. I know how to increase the probability of my winning. I do. And I know if I got on right now, took some stupid random trade, my probabilities will be so low to the point where, like, it's just me pissing away money. And it's just an overlooked emotion. It's an overlooked skill. I feel like most traders, most people that just start and they're fresh to the game, they just want to kill it. They want to start making money, man. They just want to execute every day. Let's go $1,000 days every day for the next 200 days, 200 trading days. Let's go. Let's make 200 grand this year as my first year trading. Everyone wants that. Realistically, it's not possible. What's realistic, though, is, let's just say you've been trading you're a profitable trader like me. What's realistic is sitting on my hands for half the days of the month, not really making much. And then the other half, maybe even a quarter, I'm making a bulk of my entire month just in 5 trading days. Maybe I'll have like 15 really slow days, and then I'll have 3, 4, or 5 really good days. And in 2026, so far this year, honestly, there's been like 2 or 3 days total that have actually been worth trading. And it's middle of February right now, and like, I'm looking back at like my trading days, and I've definitely overtraded. I need to be more patient And if I was more patient, I would have definitely minimized a lot of my losses, and a lot of the days that I shouldn't have been trading would have just been break-even days. But I was being impatient, so I was taking these stupid trades, and I was just losing. Looking back, hindsight is 2020. I'm looking back at it, and I'm like, wow, it looked so bad at like 8:30 in the morning, and I was thinking, I wrote down in my journal that I was gonna like take it easy or take off, but as soon as the market opened, I just like went full throttle and started taking trades. And looking back, I'm like, oh my gosh, like why did I do that? That was so stupid. I should have listened to myself. And that's just me being impatient. And I think it's a hard skill. And patience is a very difficult skill because like I said, I want to make money every day. I want to take a trade. I want to feel successful every day. But sometimes success is sitting on my hands. Sometimes success is taking the day off and waiting for the actual setup to appear on a different day. Sometimes when I doubt myself, when I'm thinking like, oh, I need to make money every day, blah, 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 I just look at a stock chart, every single stock chart. Like just look at the S&P 500. It does not go straight up. Like look at the daily chart. It may, from a very far viewpoint, it may look like it's basically going straight up, but you zoom in, it goes up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down. That's normal. That is how trading is. And that's how a profit and loss curve is for a normal trader. Up, down, up, down. Like the issue comes when you're going down, 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 no ups. There's definitely periods where I'm going up and then I'm consolidating in a range for weeks, sometimes months. But then basically I consider myself a professional trader. I know eventually my setups are going to come and I'm going to break out of my range and keep going up. That's how it is. Trading, it's impossible to go with zero losses. Losses are normal. Patience is necessary. Being the most patient trader will be the most beneficial thing. It's going to lead to missing out on plays because, of course, it's impossible to hit every play. And there's going to be plays that really take off and the setup wasn't even there. But that's okay because you're teaching yourself that patience is key. Patience is important. You're not just going to jump into some random trades. That's stupid. And even if you do jump into a random trade and you made money on it and you can't even explain what happened and how you made money on it, that's not really a good trade. That's a bad habit. You don't want to form bad habits. You want to take good trades and either win well on it or you want to lose well. Because taking a loss is normal. You can take a good loss. Hitting your stop loss and getting out and not getting back into the trade, that's a good loss. That is the end of this video on patience. Thanks for watching. Thanks for tuning in. I really appreciate it. And I'll see you guys in the next one.